So I'd like to officially welcome you to the Complete LinkedIn Guide to Business Marketing course. I am super excited to share all of this information with you, and I would love to hear your thoughts throughout as well. So what we're going to be covering and discussing in this course is, first and foremost, how to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So if you're not at this point, just go to linkedin.com and register for a profile first. That's literally all you need to get started on this course. Everything else we'll get into from here. So optimizing your LinkedIn profile from the top down, starting with your photo and what you do, the industry you're in, and your experience will help you get found by a lot more people online. Depending what your objectives are, there's a couple rules of thumb here. If you're trying to get a job, you're going to optimize it one way. If you're trying to connect with prospects, you're going to kind of tweak it a little bit for a different way. I'm going to show you a lot of new ideas to use LinkedIn native video. So LinkedIn native video, or the ability to upload video onto the LinkedIn platform rather than just posting a YouTube link in a comment, is a pretty new acquisition, or it's a pretty new feature on the LinkedIn platform. So it's still very much in its early phase, and there's a lot of strategy involved, and the engagement rate on videos is huge right now. So take advantage of that. I'm going to show you how to use LinkedIn to drive new business. So there's quite a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you how to generate email addresses and set up appointments through LinkedIn. So I'm going to jump into a lot about this more, but we're going to show you how to do an email marketing campaign for prospective clients. So not only are you able to connect with them and try and reach out to them through the LinkedIn platform, but we're going to get specific individuals' email addresses so you can attack them from both LinkedIn and email. And lastly, I'm going to show you a couple different strategies so that you can increase your reach on your posts. What I mean by that is when you post something, there's a couple different ways to increase that reach. You don't need to have 1 million connections to reach 1 million people. You can have 1,000 connections or 100 connections and still reach thousands of people by optimizing your posts and what you're commenting about.